New evidence was revealed today at a preliminary hearing for 16 ex-members of a Penn State fraternity. They are facing various charges in connection with the death of a pledge during an alleged hazing ritual. Our David Spunt was in the courtroom. He joins us now live outside the Center County Courthouse in Bellefonte with new information. David.
Hi, Jessica. You know, it's unfortunate that cameras are not allowed in Pennsylvania courtrooms because a lot happened behind me, a lot of action in the courtroom today for this preliminary hearing, a lot of name calling, constant interruptions. 18 people are charged. 16 showed up today. 2 waived their right to a prelim hearing. Will go straight to trial. And I've covered trials for a lot of years. I've never seen the DA on one side of the courtroom, 16 defendants and 16 attorneys on the other side of a courtroom. Behind these walls, a 19-year-old lost consciousness. His friends didn't call 911 for 12 hours. A few days later, Timothy Piazza was dead.
We have a friend who is unconscious. He hasn't moved. 16
former members of the Penn State Beta chapter walked into court this morning. They're all facing charges relating to Piazza's death. The 19-year-old attended an alcohol-fueled pledge party in February. He fell down the stairs and was unresponsive. Today in court, District Attorney Stacey Parks Miller called Philadelphia defense attorney Theodore Simon a liar. He represents one of the defendants. DA Parks shared text messages between Beta members in the moments after Piazza died. One of the messages is from the phone of Brendan Young, chapter president from Malvern, seen here in this court sketch. The message reads, quote, "Make sure the pledges clean the basement and get rid of any evidence of alcohol," end quote. Piazza's parents were also in the courtroom, visibly emotional during testimony. The entire episode involving Piazza and fraternity brothers was caught on closed-circuit surveillance video. At one point in the video, Joseph Ems, a defendant from Philadelphia, slaps Piazza to try and wake him up. Philadelphia attorney Bill Brennan represents Ems.
There was nothing on the video that I saw that was assault or criminal behavior. I mean, this is a terrible tragedy. The Ems family feels absolutely compassionate.
It is entirely possible, Jessica and Yuki, that we will see 18 separate trials going forward here. District Attorney Stacey Parks Miller will continue tomorrow morning behind me at 8:30 in the morning to proceed to see if there is enough evidence to go forward with a trial. Reporting live tonight in Bellefonte, Center County, David Spunt, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, David, we'll see what happens. Thanks so much.